Hi everyone and welcome to week 12. Thank you for submitting your second essays on time. I'll be working on responding to those over the next week, and in the meantime we need to get started with our third and final project of the semester, the multimedia presentation, which you can find in the Google Classroom in week 15. So if you scroll to the bottom there and click on the multimedia presentation, you'll see that in this last project, you should identify a local problem related to your career area of interest. This can be, but doesn't have to be, related to your second essay, but it should clearly focus on the community you live in. You should have at least 4 sources of information for this project. At least 2 of these sources should be scholarly and 2 should be local sources of information. That could be an interview with a local expert, an observation of the problem, or something like that. The length of the presentation should be roughly equivalent to 5 pages of a research paper. You could choose a lot of different modes for this. For example, you might make a podcast or a slideshow with voiceover. You could write a traditional academic paper that has heavy infographics. You might make a video, write a song. Maybe you have another idea that I haven't even thought about yet. Your work should reference source material and provide an APA-style references page documenting your research. As we move along the steps for this, the first step, as always, will be a large group workshop. This time, since we're not looking at traditional academic papers, we're not going to comment directly in the Google Doc that the writer worked in. So I've provided 2 sample projects from last semester that I got permission from students to share with you. And instead of commenting in those directly, I've provided a shared Google Doc here with the questions from the large group workshop that everyone will answer in one document. Just be sure to write your name next to your comments so I can see who wrote what. And then we have later on in the week, you're going to work on finding one of your sources of information for your topic. I'd like you to start with a local source of information, something here that you could go out and touch if you needed to. I want you to provide the full APA reference entry, about a half-page summary, and a short explanation about why you have chosen this source of information. I'll have you finding more sources next week and also thinking more about the mode that you want to choose for your presentation. As always, check in with me if you have questions, and I hope everyone's doing well. Have a great day.